Namaskaram friends. So in today's video I am going to talk about machines. In everyday life we are surrounded by machines. In construction, in agriculture, in transportation, in communication and in everyday activity. Okay, that means we use machine to enhance our life. Okay, because our mind is like a computer. Okay, so from that mind we made other computer, other machines. Okay, that means by opening the different dimensions of our mind we create different machine to use it for our benefit and enhance our life. Because earlier, due to lack of machine, many work like storing data, manually keeping records, or do agriculture through oxes, or mining through small tools. All these are carried out in our history. Okay, so as technology grow, as science and technology develop, we made machines a better and better sophisticated machine to use it for the well-being of the humanity and for the well-being of the whole creation. Okay, but nowadays news is that many people try to become like a machine and do not want to live like a human being. Okay, nowadays you say lots of information are stored in most of the people. Okay, and whatever you ask, they do not think or do not try to open new dimension. They just speak what information they gathered and they recycle that information. That means very few people open new dimensions and explore new areas, and most of them are just become like a computer, storing data and recycling it and produce a same result every time. Okay, see, we made machine. Okay, but nowadays people, due to artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, internet of things, people think that machine are much capable, much sophisticated and much intelligent than human being. This is not true. Only that you are lazy. Machines are doing its work on time without tired, and but human beings are, by using machine they become unhealthy because they think machines are doing all work, so why I do other works. Earlier when people do work of machine they become healthy, but nowadays you have to do a little bit of yoga exercise and use machine for your well-being. But by using machines people become unhealthy, not because there is a disadvantage of using machine. People use machines but skip their routine, their exercise and their other habits. Okay, that means they are very much dependent on machine. Dependent on machine is good, but not so much that you lose your body and mind to such an extent that when you want to recover you are not capable of. Okay, so keep your physical and mental body healthy and use machines so that work in which your time is consumed a lot machine do, and you only explore new dimensions, experience new things. Machine are not capable of experience things, not capable of opening new dimension. Whatever sophisticated machine is, it is the human being who open new dimensions and then put that information, that knowledge in machine, and through machine learning, through cloud computing, through deep learning, machine uses that information and produce result and do work. Okay, so primary objective is that many human beings must keep physically and mentally healthy and open new areas, new dimension of mind, so that in future we make better machine, so that work which are yet done by human beings, which are not to be, so we make machine for that work and keep human being free from that activity. Let's say human being work in mines, human being works in sewage plants, human beings work in industry where conditions is not very human. So in that area we have to implement new machine and also reduce our population and keep environment healthy. Okay, so by reducing population, by introducing machine, because due to job loss many people fear that when machine come job loss occur. But to maintain that maintain this type of machine, also new job are created. Okay, so everything is happening in a good manner, but we have to make policy for reduction of population, because we populate the whole planet earth, and that is the main cause. Okay, through this we damage everything. We damage environment, we damage wildlife, environment, economy, ecology, everything we damage. So we have to reduce all population, and reduce to a such extent that all life form, all animate or inanimate object have find their space and live a good and quality life on this planet. Okay, so the conclusion of today's lecture is, machines are for collecting information and analyzing and storing data. Human beings are for exploring new dimensions of mind. So human being don't try to become like a machine, because you are the most sophisticated machine on this planet, because you are capable of experience 5 elements, physical and non-physical dimension, past, present and future, which machine are never ever capable of. Okay, so respect yourself, respect the humanity. Namaskaram. Thank you.